Hello friends, let's solve some multiple choice questions based on the topic trigonometry from class 10. Let's start with the question. The question is, choose the correct alternative answer for the following questions. The first question is, sine theta into cosec theta is equal to what? The options are 1, 0, 1 by 2 and root 2. Now as we know that sine theta and cosec theta, these are the reciprocals of each other. That means sine theta can be expressed as 1 divided by cosec theta, or cosec theta can be written as 1 divided by sine theta. So in short, we have, as these two are reciprocals of each other, sine theta into cosec theta must be equal to 1. So here sine theta into cosec theta must be 1, that is option A is the correct alternative. Let's have the next question. Cosec 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, root 2, root 3 by 2 or 2 by root 3. Now again by trigonometric table we have this value cosec 45, that is root 2, or we have the value of sine 45, that's 1 divided by root 2, and cosec 45 is the reciprocal of sine 45, that's why we should have the value of cosec 45, which is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that's root 2. So here option B is the correct alternative, that is the value of cosec 45 degree is root 2. Let's have the next question. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cot square theta, cosec square theta, sec square theta or tan square theta. Now itself it is a trigonometric identity. So we have studied there are three trigonometric identities, out of which the second is 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to sec square theta. So this is the second trigonometric identity. That's why here we get 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. That is option C is the correct alternative. The next question is, when we see at a higher level from the horizontal line, angle formed is dot dot. Whether it is angle of elevation or angle of depression or 0 or a straight angle. Now here we must know the concept of angle of elevation. Suppose there is one person which is standing at point A on the ground, and from that if he see at the higher level, then the angle made by this line of vision with the horizontal is called as the angle of elevation. So the angle made by the line of vision with the horizontal is called as angle of elevation. So in this case, this is the angle of elevation, that is option A is the correct alternative. And on the other hand, we have angle of depression also. Suppose there is one person which is standing at a building or a tower, suppose point A, where suppose there is point A where a person is standing, and if he is observing any object on the ground, so this time this is the line of vision, and the angle made by this line of vision with the horizontal, that means this angle is called as angle of depression. So that is also we must know the angle of depression when person is at a higher level, and from that if he observe any object on the ground, at that time angle of depression is made. And when a person is standing on the ground, and from that if he observe object at a higher level, at that time the angle formed is called as angle of elevation. So in this case option A is the correct alternative. So these are some examples based on the trigonometry. Thanks for watching.